at your showcase.
Your showcase contains all the prizes mentioned as our girls help Granny clean out her garage. Our story opens with Diane and Holly helping Granny in her dusty garage. And the first thing those girls find hidden under a tarp is a new tandem bike. This is the Schwinn 5-Speed Deluxe Tandem Bike with touring handlebars and comfort seats or cushion mattress. A great way to be with your loved one during your short trip to the market or park. As Granny examines the bike she hasn't seen for years, the girls continue to work and uncover a new grandfather clock. From the Emperor Clock Company, this magnificent precision timepiece, a solid walnut grandfather clock designed to enhance the beauty and charm of your home for years to come from the Emperor Clock Company. As Diane dusts off the clock, Holly continues digging and finds Grandpa. And under Grandpa, she discovers a new recliner. Deep plush seat highlighted by wicker frame and slender, graceful design are blended into contemporary luxury. Tradewind action recliner from Lane. And now the girls want to know what he's been doing in the garage. But Grandpa figures that one picture is worth 1,000 words. And rather than explain, he'll show them. He's been watching over his prized possession, this new Model A pickup truck. This is the Shays reproduction of the 1929 Model A pickup. Comes with super deluxe features like 4-cylinder and 4-speed transmission, has solid oak side railings. And this showcase, in which the whole family would rather go for a ride than clean out the garage, can be yours if the price is right. Shirley?